Hey guys, it's Crypto Coin Investor. Today I'm going to discuss the Stellar Bitcoin and Stellar USD. So what you are seeing in front of you is the daily chart fetched from the Polonia exchange. This white line that you see here, this is the 200-day moving average. If you're above this moving average, you're going to see it acting as support, and if you're under it, it's going to act as a resistance. This purple rectangle is the accumulation zone, I would say, and we have tried breaking out from it. Nothing has happened because we failed, and we are now below our previous support, and we are hanging around 670 sats or so. So next target is 723 sats, followed by 820 sats, and if everything goes well, we might touch 930 sats. Interestingly, 930 sats is the monthly resistance level. It is very crucial that we flip it. Once we flip it, the mega bull run will start. So let's move to the weekly chart real quick. This is the weekly chart, and let me change the moving average to 20 because that is what you should use when you're using a weekly chart. As you can see, we have closed below this white line, and this is bad news because it is not going to act as resistance. Earlier it was acting as support, in the last few weeks or so, since since end of April, I would say. Now we are below it and it's acting as resistance. When you enable the Ichimoku cloud, you can see that we are now below this red cloud, which is going to act as resistance. However, if we enter inside it, we are going to face 820 sats as our main resistance, followed by, of course, 930 sats. But 830 sats looks 820 sats appears to be the major resistance on the weekly chart. Interestingly, I think that by the end of November or mid of November, we may see a breakout like this, and this will be extremely bullish. If you want a great entry for Stellar, wait for it to break out of this red cloud like that. Let's move to the monthly chart. Here you can see that the 20-day moving average clearly shows that the extremely strong resistance is present at 930 sats. So once we are able to flip this, extreme mega bull run will start. You can see that in the past as well. And during the November 2017, as soon as we closed above this 20 moving average, it pumped, and it pumped like hell, I would say. It was great for the Stellar holders, and since then it has been acting as resistance. This is the main resistance. The MACD looks very interesting. Like, we have flipped to the green side on the MACD, so that is what you should be looking at. So any time Stellar can pump, this is a good time to accumulate Stellar using Bitcoin if you are one of those people who like to sell their Bitcoin for Stellar. I do. Let's take a look at the Stellar USD, because some people care about USD even though it's a stupid currency. On the monthly, we are below this white line, which is now going to act as resistance, and this is at around 0.77 cents or so. I don't see it as much problem because either this month or next month we are going to break through it, hopefully, if the Bitcoin doesn't shit itself. Let's move to the weekly chart real quick, and oh boy, the trading view is taking its time. Okay, so way too many people using trading view. Let me enable Ichimoku cloud and let us give trading view its time. Okay, so you can see that we're below the moving averages of Ichimoku cloud. This red line and the blue line that you see, we are below these lines, so they both are not going to act as resistance, along with the obviously 20-day moving average, which is also going to act as resistance, which is at around 0.085 cents. So major resistance is at around 0.085 cents, and if this rally wants to fail, we might touch that very level before going down. But if you want to go up, if you are able to break out, the next major target is at around 14 cents. So after breaking out 14 cents, then 19, then 24 cents, That's my final target for this cycle. So this is a daily chart of Stellar Lumens USD. Not looking too great if you ask me. I mean, it has been underperforming by a huge margin against other altcoins. Probably because there's so little buzz about this coin. I mean, we have been slipping down. We are now around 20 on the coin market cap, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, that's not good. But this also means that the whales will have better chance in pumping the coin, because so many have given up on this coin. Anyway, on the daily you can see that we have some resistance in front of us, so it also shows that 95 cents is the next major area of resistance. But first we have to cross 83 cents, 0.83, 8 cents, not 83, 8 cents, my bad. After that, of course, 14, 19, 24 cents. Let's go to the monthly again and see what would be the final targets for Stellar Lumens. You can see that once we are able to cross 16 and 24 cents, the next major target is at around 50 cents, and that is where you should start selling your Stellar Lumens if you are a long-term holder like me. I mean, I would start getting rid of my Stellar for Bitcoin or Ethereum or USD if I'm cashing out, because this heavy resistance at 50 cents. And of course, it touched $1 in the past as well, but I won't hold onto it for so long. I would either convert to Bitcoin or Ethereum and then ride the wave. We have very strong resistance between 14 cents and 19 cents on the monthly. Anyway, that's all about it. Hope you like this video. Give us a like and share with your friends. Stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency, IC news, and price analysis. Bye bye.